All right, so this is our second 1424 from Brute Force. Again, we're looking at unit number 5439. It is the extended frame, it is a longer conveyor, fast split, auto cycle, good wedge package with it. We are asking 46.5 picked up here. Let's get her fired up and run some logs through her. again, this is our 1424, number 5439, extended frame, fast split, auto cycle, sawdust chute, light package, 4-way and an 8-way, small destination charge, 46.5. And yes, I do have to adjust the auto cycle just a little bit. I mean, we're running this cold, so when it warms up, would it go? Maybe, but just for the show, we'll do a little twist on it. Kind of a 50-50 shot there, so didn't want to stop the video just to work on that, but we will get it tuned in for tomorrow for doing the show, but just wanted to show you this unit. So if we can, give me that phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER, or even better, just stop in up here and see us. So hope to see you soon. We do have 2 of these 1424s available. Come on up, make an offer, take it home. It does require a 2-inch ball for towing, and they do tow really, really nice. See you soon.